Hello students, in previous video we have started the revision of unit 11, that is perimeter, and we have revised that the length of the boundary of a closed figure is called its perimeter, and we have revised worksheet number 1 and 2, in which we have to find the perimeter of the given figures. And now we will revise how to find the perimeter of a rectangle, square and a triangle. So we have learned the formula to find the perimeter of a rectangle, perimeter of a rectangle, perimeter of a square, and perimeter of a triangle. Perimeter of a triangle. So we have learned the formula to find the perimeter of these closed figures. So perimeter of a rectangle is 2 multiplied by length plus 2 multiplied by breadth, right? So this is the formula. और अगर इसको शॉर्ट कर ले हम तो we can also write like 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. So ये अभी हमने फॉर्मूला डिस्कस नहीं किया, यही फॉर्मूला है, बोथ आर सेम, बट ये थोड़ा सा शॉर्ट हो जाता है, 2 multiplied by length plus breadth, but we have only discussed this formula. So 2 multiplied by length plus 2 multiplied by breadth. And how to find the perimeter of a square? The formula is 4 multiplied by side, and we have already learned that how कैसे ये फॉर्मूले बने हैं. And next, perimeter of a triangle is sum of all the three sides, right? Sum of all the three sides. Sum of all the three sides. इनको हम ऐड करेंगे, that means side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3, you can see. So we have to solve the worksheet 3, in which we have some word problems, and in this worksheet we have to find the perimeter of these three closed figures. So first is find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length is 12 centimeter and breadth is 8 centimeter. So for example, here the question is, here what is given is length. Length of a rectangle is given, that is 12 centimeter, and what else is given? Breadth is given, right? Breadth is given 8 centimeter. So we know the formula, that is perimeter of rectangle. Rectangle is equal to 2 multiplied by length, L किसको डिनोट कर रहा है? लेंथ को, plus 2 multiplied by breadth. So put the values. 2 multiplied by length, what is length? 12 centimeter, plus 2 multiplied by breadth, what is breadth? Is 8 centimeter. So solve it. फॉर्मूले में हमने वैल्यूज पुट कर दी, लेंथ की जगह पर लेंथ लिख दिया है, बीच ब्रेड्थ की जगह पर ब्रेड्थ की वैल्यू डाल दी है. Now solve it. 12 to the 24 centimeter plus 8 to the 16 centimeter. Now add them. So it is 40 centimeter. So what is the perimeter of this given rectangle? That is 40 centimeter, right? Similarly, if we want to calculate the perimeter of a square whose side is given, right? So again, let us take one example. B part, we have to calculate the perimeter of a square whose side is given, right? Side of square is given, that is suppose 6 centimeter, right? Side of a square is 6 centimeter and we have to find its perimeter. So perimeter of square, what is the formula to find the perimeter of a square? That is 4 multiplied by side. So put the value of side. What is the length of side? That is 6 centimeter and solve it. 6 4 is 24 centimeter is the perimeter of the given square, right? So what you have to do, you have to learn these formulae. जिसको ये formulae learn हो गए, they can easily solve or find the perimeter of rectangle, square and a triangle. So let us take one more example in which we have to calculate the perimeter of a triangle. Suppose the length of the three sides of the triangle is 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter. So what is this? These are the lengths of three sides of triangle. Triangle की three sides की length हमको given है and we have to find the perimeter of triangle, right? Perimeter of a triangle is side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3. That means sum of all the sides 6 centimeter plus 8 centimeter plus 10 centimeter. That is 6 plus 8, 14 plus 10 is 24 centimeter. So this is the perimeter of the given triangle, that is 24 centimeter. So now I hope ये आपको clear हो गया होगा that how we put the values of length, breadth, side and find the values of these three closed figures. And now we have some word problems. ये तो हमारे direct questions थे क्योंकि यहाँ पर हमको direct length and breadth given थी and हमको perimeter of a rectangle and side given थी, we have to find the perimeter of square. So direct questions थे. Now we have some word problems and what we have, how we can find the perimeters in these word problems. Let us revise them. A boy runs around a rectangular field. So here the shape of the field is given. What is the shape? The shape of the field is rectangle and the length of which is 35 meter and breadth is 20 meter. So here length and breadth is given, right? Here the figure is already drawn. हमने draw कर रही है जब हमने इसको किया था. So here the length and the breadth of rectangular field is given, that is 35 meter and 20 meter. Now what we have to find? How much distance will he run? How much distance will he run? Now here in this question हमें directly नहीं पूछा है perimeter of a rectangle. इसमें कहीं ऐसे लिखा है that calculate the perimeter of the rectangular field? No. यहाँ पर क्या पूछा है? How much distance will he run? कितना distance ये boy run करेगा? So अब यहाँ पर boy suppose run करना start करता है यहाँ से. यहाँ पर रन किया, इसने कितना, ही रन्स अराउंड अ रेक्टेंगुलर फील्ड, उसने पूरी फील्ड के चारों ओर दौड़ा है. दैट मीन्स यहाँ से यहाँ तक रन किया, फिर यहाँ तक रन किया, फिर यहाँ से यहाँ, यहाँ से वापस अपनी इनिशियल पोजीशन पे ये पहुंच गया पूरा चक्कर काट के. सो ये पूरा चक्कर काटने में उसने कितना डिस्टेंस रन किया? सो यू कैन सी दैट जब वो दौड़ना शुरू किया उसने कितना रन किया? जितने की बाउंड्री की लेंथ थी. इस रेक्टेंगुलर फील्ड की जितनी लेंथ थी बाउंड्री की उतना ही उसने रन किया. सो बाउंड्री की लेंथ इज इक्वल टू द पेरीमीटर ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल. सो ये आपने माइंड में होना चाहिए जब भी हम बॉर्डर की बात करेंगे, साइड्स की बात करेंगे, साइड की लेंथ की बात करेंगे, वो डायरेक्ट चाहे क्वेश्चन में गिवन है या नहीं है, वी हैव टू फाइंड द पेरीमीटर और हमें पेरीमीटर का फॉर्मूला लगाना पड़ेगा. एंड how can we solve this question? So let's do it. Solution. First of all, in word problem what we write? We always write what is given. So here length of the rectangular field is given, and breadth of the field is given. Length is 35 meters and breadth is 20 meters. Now keep it in mind that here the perimeter of a field is not asked. क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा है? हाउ मच डिस्टेंस विल ही रन. सो हमें वही लिखना पड़ेगा जो क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया है. सो डिस्टेंस रन इज इक्वल टू, तो डिस्टेंस रन किसके बराबर हो जाएगा? टोटल डिस्टेंस रन किसके इक्वल हो जाएगा? इक्वल टू द पेरीमीटर. अब फॉर्मूला हम पेरीमीटर का लगाएंगे 2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय लेंथ प्लस 2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय ब्रेड्थ. फॉर्मूला हम पेरीमीटर का लगा रहे हैं, पर यहाँ पर हम पेरीमीटर नहीं लिख रहे हैं. यहाँ लिख रहे हैं जो हमसे पूछा गया है, हाउ मच डिस्टेंस विल ही रन. सो डिस्टेंस ही विल रन is equal to 2 multiplied by length plus 2 multiplied by breadth. So that is 2 multiplied by length is 35 meter plus 2 multiplied by breadth is 20 meter. Solve it. 35 multiplied by 2 is 70 meters plus 22 is 40 meter. That is, add them, 110 meter. So the boy will run how much distance? 110 meter. So यहाँ पर हमें यही पूछा था कि बॉय ने कितना डिस्टेंस रन किया, तो हमने वही आंसर किया. द बॉय विल रन 110 meters. यहाँ पर हमसे पेरीमीटर ऑफ अ फील्ड नहीं पूछा है, हमसे पूछा था कि बॉय कितना रन करेगा. दैट इज इक्वल टू द पेरीमीटर ऑफ a rectangle. So distance he run is equal to perimeter of a rectangle. So in this way you can find this. And in next video we will revise the remaining questions of this worksheet. Thank you.